What's going on, everyone? Thanks for watching. I wasn't satisfied with my last jet boat attempt, so I decided to design my own. Designing this boat in Fusion 360 was a bit of a learning curve, but I think I have a pretty good design here. As you saw, I got the boat printed and painted, so it's time to put it together, starting with the motor. The shaft and impeller go in next. This is the same impeller from my first boat. I also used the same nozzle with the diffusers inside. The steering rod is put in first and then attached to the servo. The steering nozzle can then be put on. The 40 amp water-cooled ESC goes in next. I waterproofed the receiver using some liquid tape. I can finally put the battery in and then the cover to try it out. Overall, the boat ran really well. It's way faster than my original boat. I don't think I was able to really top it out in the pool. I'm sure the first thing you noticed was the tape on the cover. I tried a bunch of different methods, but just could not get a good watertight seal without taping the cover. The other problem that's pretty obvious is the free spinning. With the inlet of the jet drive being higher than the sides of the boat, it can sometimes come out of the water, causing it to free spin, not pushing any water through it. This was a great proof of concept, showing that I'm not far off from a great microjet boat. I've already begun designing a second version that will hopefully be even better. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and want to see more 3D printing and jet boat videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video of version 2 of my jet boat. Or is it version 3? I don't know. Thanks again for watching. Look out for that, and peace.